Hello, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss with you the GCE Ordinary Level 2018 English paper. Well, now it's time for us to discuss today's question. Today we are going to discuss Test 5 of the GCE Ordinary Level Examination 2018 question paper. In this test, the examiners are going to assess your ability to read and extract relevant information to complete a text. So here you have been given a dialogue, and after reading the dialogue, there is a summary of the dialogue in a paragraph. You have to extract information and fill the gaps in the summary, in the small paragraph. There are 5 gaps and you will get 5 marks for this. Okay, let's read the question first. Test 5. Read the following dialogue. So there is a dialogue. This dialogue is between a teacher and a boy called Amal. Read the following dialogue. Fill in the blanks of the summary given below. So you have to fill the gaps, fill the blanks in the summary given below the dialogue. Select a suitable word or phrase from the dialogue. You have to choose a word or a phrase. Phrase is a group of words, 2 or 3 words. And the first one is done for you. The first one is done for you. Okay, first let's listen to the dialogue. Amal, is everything ready for the trip? Yes, almost everything. Have you decided on the destination, Kandy or Nuwara? Yes, madam. Everyone's choice is Kandy. Why are you so interested in visiting Kandy? I think it's the botanical gardens, madam. Will your parents join too? Only a few. Well, I want to meet all of you tomorrow at 10 a.m. to discuss more about the trip. We have not yet decided on the cost per head. I suppose it won't be more than 500 rupees. Madam, do we have to inform the principal about the trip? Yes, of course. We need his written permission. Madam, do you think he will give us permission? Why not? He is the one who suggested me to organize the trip. Okay, that's the dialogue. Now let's try to understand it. Teacher says, Amal, is everything ready for the trip? Amal, is everything ready for the trip? Now they are going to organize a trip and the teacher is asking whether they have got everything ready. Then Amal says, yes, almost everything. Almost everything means nearly everything. Almost means nearly. Then teacher says, have you decided? Have you think carefully on the destination? Destination is a place where someone is going to go. Destination is a place. Now here, either Kandy or Nuwara. So the teacher asks, have you decided on the destination? Destination is a place. Okay, right. Then Amal says, yes, madam. Everyone's choice is Kandy. Choice is the place they have chosen. Right? Everyone's choice is Kandy. Then teacher asks, why are you so interested in visiting Kandy? Why are you so interested in visiting Kandy? Now what is interest? Interest means if you want to give your attention to something. If you like something, that is your interest. So why are you so interested in visiting Kandy? Then Amal says, I think it's the botanical gardens, madam. I think it's the botanical gardens. Because of botanical gardens, they like visiting Kandy. So teacher says, will your parents join too? Now teacher asks a question. Will your parents join too? Now she wants to know whether the children's parents are father and mother, join too. Then Amal says, only a few. So not all the parents are coming, only few of them are coming. Then teacher says, well, I want to meet all of you tomorrow at 10 a.m. Now this teacher wants to meet all the students at 10 a.m. tomorrow to discuss. To discuss means to talk about this, more about the trip. So the teacher wants to talk about the trip, more about the trip. So that is why we say discuss. She wants to discuss. Then she says, we have not yet decided. Decided means not chosen something. So if you choose something after thinking very carefully of it, we say decide. We have not yet decided on the cost per head. Per head. Here, of course, head is a person. Per head means for one person. How much do we have to pay for one person? I suppose means think that something is likely to happen. I suppose, that means I think, it won't be more than 500 rupees. The teacher thinks that it won't be more than 500 rupees. That means one student should pay 500 rupees. Then Amal, Madam, do we have to inform the principal about the trip? Now he asks a question. Do we have to inform? Inform means tell someone something. Tell the principal about the trip. Now they are organizing a trip, and this boy Amal asks whether he should inform the principal. Then teacher says, yes, of course. Yes, we have to inform him. We need his written permission. We need his written permission. So we need means we want his written permission. Permission is his consent. He must agree with this. Then Amal says, Madam, do you think he will give us permission? Madam, do you think he will give us permission? Will he agree with us? And will he give his consent? Consent is permission. Why not? Why not? The teacher says, why not? He is the one who suggested me to organize the trip. He is the one. He suggested this. He is the one who mentioned this idea first. He is the one who gave me this idea of organizing the trip. Right, so that ends the conversation. I hope you could understand it. Now let's read the summary and then complete the blanks. Listen to me carefully. I shall read it. Then we'll try to fill the gaps. The discussion is about a trip to 1. Answer is given Kandy. The first one is done for you. The discussion is about a trip to Kandy. The students' one and only, question 2, is Kandy. The most attractive place for the students is 3. A few, 4, also will join the trip. Students will not have to spend much as the 5. Per person for the trip will not exceed 500 rupees. The written 6 of the principal is yet to be obtained. Obtain means to get, to receive. Right, I hope you can understand it. Now let's fill the gaps. The discussion is about a trip to blank number 1. It is already done, Kandy. Trip to Kandy. The students' one and only blank is Kandy. One and only what? Choice. Their choice is Kandy. They have not chosen any other places. Choice is Kandy. So for the second blank, the word must be choice. the most attractive place for the students is, so the most attractive, most beautiful place for the student is number 3, botanical gardens. Botanical gardens. So for this blank number 3, you must have written botanical gardens. A few blank also will join the trip. So blank number 4, a few parents also will join the trip. A few parents also will join the trip. Students will not have to spend much as the blank number 5. It should be cost. The students will not have to spend much as the cost per person for the trip will not exceed 500 rupees. Cost per person for the trip will not exceed 500 rupees. The written, next blank 6, the written permission of the principal is yet to be obtained. So for the blank number 6, it must be permission. It must be permission. Well, that ends test 5.